Hello and welcome to the stock market analysis. Let's continue to take a look at Nvidia, what it's doing. Well, Nvidia had a very nice update today. It gapped lower but it's moving up, as you can see in the 60-minute chart. Let's just take a look at that 60-minute chart. Please bear with me, my internet connection is a bit low. Alright. Here it has gone back above the 20 MA, also gone back above the 50 MA, and perhaps there's something good might be happening. Now what I really want Nvidia to do is to break above this downtrend line. It hasn't yet, but there are some positive signs here which you might want to take a look. Here we can draw a trend line through the highs and lows. What do you see? Possible triangle pattern, and nearing the apex, and if it breaks out higher of this triangle type pattern in the 60-minute chart, we may move higher. And what we want to see after that is for it to break above this downtrend line and above the 60-minute 200 MA for a sustainable rise, which might bring us to the 1000 mark. Now on the other hand, a triangle may not necessarily only break out, it may also break down. So if it trades sideways and then trade down below this uptrend line here, that means it's breaking below the triangle and we might see more sell-off in the future. Okay, now if you look at the daily chart, the bounce up here is actually because it is at a support level. So support does not erode so fast. You can see the support here, and also there's a previous high support here. So there are support areas, and just because it sell off doesn't mean it's going to go all the way down straight away. You need to erode the support first. That is why we draw a triangle to see which way it wants to break out of. Now usually in the daily chart we do not want to see Nvidia go below the 50 MA or the 20 MA in the daily chart. So which is why we are now in not a very good position from a daily chart point of view. If we are good at all, we should be like around here when the stock was trading above the rising 20 MA, rising 50 MA. This was the best time to be long the stock, you know. But when it drops below the 20 MA and 50 MA, that is when a lot of work is required. Work to analyze, I mean, but that doesn't mean you need to trade Nvidia all the time. See, my friends, the stock market is a very interesting thing. If you are too hardworking trading in and out of the stock market or a particular stock, you're going to get burned left, right, and center. You need to be a bit lazy in the sense that keep your fingers glued to the table, not on the buy button. Only when there is a very special setup or you're very confident, then only you trade. But of course, you need to analyze it every single day. Now let me just remove all the drawings here. I'm going to draw the resistance for you to see. Now for those of you who do not know why the stock sold off by 10% here on this day, here on the 19th of April, that's because this was a very significant area. You can see every time it trades to around here, it goes back up, try to go back up. Now eventually either it must break out or it must break down. So it cannot find support here, it cannot find support at the 50 MA, that's why it declined. A massive sell-off that shocked a lot of people. So a support area once broken will become a new area of resistance. So that is why we are seeing this move up, because we are here, there's a support oversold and moving back up, it hits the resistance area. That's why we have a sell on a rate day on the 24th, and on the 25th we are moving up again. Okay, now I think the market was not very good today, but eventually I think it traded back up a bit. So Nvidia is also trading up, and it might have a 60-minute bullish cross, but really I want to see it to break above the triangle here. Let me just draw again. You can see that resistance kicking in. That is why it declined here. All right, this is resistance area, and hopefully this triangle breakout, it can break out higher, right, and maybe break above this resistance area. Very, very important for us to take a look at it. Okay. Now, for those of you who do not know, this is Nvidia's seasonality chart. In April, it's not a very good month for it because it has only gone up by 40% of the time. But May, again, 16.7% gains in May, 100% of the time it has closed higher than it opened from 2020 to 2023. 1, 2, 3, 4. May has not happened yet in 2024. And June, July, August are naturally good months for Nvidia. So there is something for you to think about. Now, how about intraday? Let's go to the 5-minute chart. Gap down, but quickly have a rise here, and soon it went back above the 50 MA, went back above the 20 MA, and here we have a bullish cross, and actually this is kind of like flaggy pattern here. Break above this downtrend line, and it went back up. Okay, now it's sitting at this support area, this 5-minute support area. If it can hold, okay, this support area, if it can hold, this support area holds, then we might see it break higher, which is also where it will break above the 60-minute downtrend line. All right, now let's take a look at the 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart, we have a very nice bullish engulfing pattern here. Gap down, open higher, bullish engulfing, engulf many bars, 2, 4, 6, 7 bars, and that's why it's going up. All right. So right now, all eyes should be looked on this, whether it can break above this downtrend line. Now I have a ebook free which is coming out. It's titled The Beginner's Guide to the 4 Stages of the Stock Market. And in that ebook, I'm going to teach you how to spot stocks that are in a stage 2 uptrend, because there are 4 types of stages: stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4. Let me just briefly say stage 1 is like a basing where it kind of trades sideways. All right. Stage 2 is the breakout higher, where it's in an uptrend. This is a stage 2 until here. You can see the double top. Stage 3, market topping here, Nvidia topping here. And stage 4, of course, downtrend. All right. What you want to do is you always want to buy when it's in a stage 2 uptrend. And around here, we have a kind of market top, and you don't want to be touching it. The way you touch Nvidia from daily chart point of view is you buy as it starts the stage 2 and you sell around stage 3. So imagine around here to here, look, the stock has damage, it's going down, but if you know how to look at market stages, you'll be out of here, most of it, and like shielded from all this market volatility around here. So have a look at the free ebook when it comes out. Right, soon I will try to put a link on my video so that you can download the ebook for yourself. So that's all for today, and I hope you enjoy the analysis and that's helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.